If you think your credit score isn't good enough to buy a home, don't guess. Let technology show you the truth. I talk to people every week who feel stuck because of their credit. They have been told no, or they're afraid to check, or they don't want their score impacted again. Here's what most people don't realize. Today, we don't rely on guesses or outdated methods. I use advanced mortgage technology tools that allow me to review your credit profile using a soft tool only with no impact to your credit score. These tools analyze your credit structure, balances and utilization, reporting behavior, and lender level risk factors. They can even model what changes may help and what changes won't actually matter. No opinions, no assumptions, just real data. This isn't credit repair, and there are no guarantees. It's a clear, technology-driven evaluation that helps you understand where you truly stand before applying for a mortgage. Because most buyers don't need perfect credit, they need clarity. If you're planning to buy a home in the next 6 to 12 months, send me a message or comment credit. I'll run a free mortgage credit evaluation using advanced tools with no cost and no score impact.